Hey guys, today I'm going to be going through the steps it takes to apply false lashes. I know a lot of people struggle with it. I still am not a pro, but I'm going to share with you the tips that I think help me get through it, and the tools you need to get it done. So, let's get to it. Okay, hey guys, we're back. So these are the lashes I'm using. When you are removing them from the packaging, you want to make sure that you remove them at the top of the strip, and be very gentle because they're pretty fragile. You don't want to lose pieces that you actually need. When you get them off, you want to make sure you trim them to size to fit your eye. Now I've used these before, so I know that they fit my eye perfectly. When you are cutting, you want to cut at the longest end. But like I just said, I'm not cutting because I know they fit me perfect. Next, you want to make sure that you are bending them in kind of a C shape, and hold it for just a few seconds, and that'll help with how they stick to your eye. Next, you want to grab your glue. Now you don't want to use too much, but you're just applying where the lashes are sticky, where they're already kind of sticky anyway. They're not sticky enough without the glue to stick to your eye. Next, we're going to curl our natural lashes. When I do it, I kind of bounce the tweezers up and down. I think that gets the best long-lasting curl. And I usually do it a little longer, especially if I'm not wearing falsies. But next, you are going to use either the lash tweezers or your fingers to place the lash as close to the lash line as possible. When you apply them, start by placing the lash in the middle and then adjust the inner and the outer corners. Sometimes false lashes can be hard on your natural lashes, and that's why we don't want them sticking too much or too close to our actual lashes. Next, we're going to take our eyeliner and we are going to fill in any gaps between our natural lashes and our falsies. This just gives a fuller look, and it makes it to where you can't see any of the eyeshadow between if you left a gap there. Now I didn't actually apply a winged liner for this look, but if you are going to apply a winged liner, I think it's kind of controversial whether you apply it before or after the falsies. And finally, I'm just giving an extra curl to my lashes. Sometimes I think this extra curl helps the falsies and your natural lashes really come together. And now for a final coat of mascara. Again, this is just going to help you get a bolder look. And I think that this is not an optional step, at least not for me, but some people don't do it, so do it at your will and you'll see for yourself what you like the best. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and I hope that you can pass these tips on to someone else if they really worked for you.